Unlocking the mystery of changing valve oil. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that might sound a bit technical at first glance: changing valve oil. Whether you're a musician, particularly one who plays a brass instrument, or just curious about how different phrases are used in English, this video is for you. Let's unlock the mystery together and find out why changing valve oil is an important task for some and a curious phrase for others. Changing valve oil refers to the process of applying a special type of lubricant to the valves of a brass musical instrument, such as a trumpet, tuba, or French horn. These valves are crucial for changing the pitch of the instrument, and the oil ensures they operate smoothly and efficiently. Without regular oiling, the valves can become sticky or slow, affecting the instrument's performance and the quality of music it produces. So, when someone talks about changing valve oil, they're discussing the maintenance required to keep a brass instrument in top playing condition. The importance of changing valve oil cannot be overstated for musicians. Regular maintenance, including oiling the valves, is essential for ensuring smooth operation. The oil reduces friction, allowing the valves to move freely. Preventing damage. Regular oiling protects the valves from wear and corrosion. Maintaining sound quality. Properly maintained valves help produce a clear, consistent sound. For non-musicians, understanding this phrase is a great example of how specific terms can be crucial in certain hobbies or professions, highlighting the diversity and richness of the English language. The frequency of changing valve oil varies depending on how often the instrument is played and the conditions it's exposed to. However, a general rule of thumb is to oil the valves once a week for regular players or after every few uses for those who play less frequently. It's also recommended to check the valves before every use, ensuring they move freely and do not make any unusual noises. We hope this exploration of changing valve oil has been enlightening. Whether you're a budding musician learning to care for your instrument or an English language learner fascinated by the precision of technical vocabulary, remember, every phrase has a story, and understanding these stories enriches our communication and connects us more deeply to the world around us. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to uncovering more linguistic treasures together. Keep practicing, stay curious, and, as always, happy learning.